In this video, you'll learn how to insert a SIM card and check mobile settings on your Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will ensure that your device is properly set up for network connectivity. Begin by turning off your Pixel 9. This action helps prevent any potential issues during the SIM card installation process. Next, locate the SIM tray on the side of your device. You will need a SIM ejector tool for this step, which is often included in the box with your phone. Once you have the SIM ejector tool, gently insert it into the small hole next to the SIM tray. This action will release the tray from the device. Carefully pull the tray out to avoid damaging it. Place the SIM card into the tray, making sure it is aligned correctly according to the shape of the tray. It is important to check that the gold contacts of the SIM card are facing down. After placing the SIM card in the tray, gently push the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Turn your Pixel 9 back on. This step prepares your phone for network connectivity and allows it to recognize the inserted SIM card. Once your phone is powered on, locate and open the Settings app. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer in the Settings menu. Navigate to Network and Internet. From there, tap on either SIMs or Mobile Network to view your SIM details. In this section, you should see information regarding your network signal and carrier details. Make sure that the network signal is active and that your carrier information is displayed correctly. If you require mobile data, ensure that the toggle for mobile data is turned on. This step confirms that your SIM is functioning properly and allows you to adjust any necessary network preferences. To further test your connectivity, try making a call or sending a text message. You can also browse the internet using your mobile data to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, consider restarting your phone or rechecking the SIM card placement. Additionally, verify that you have adequate signal strength in your area. Your Pixel 9 is now fully set up and ready for use. Following these steps ensures that your device is connected to the network and that you can communicate effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.